So advance happy Diwali everyone. Today we wanna solve the problem of valid anagram. So the question says, given two strings, string S and string T. They both are valid anagram if the alphabets in them are similar in count. For example, car race and race car both contain 2C, 2A, 2R and 1E. So we have to return true if both of them contain similar alphabets, similar length of alphabets. So how do we solve this problem? By taking two strings, string S and string T, then we will sort both of them. If we will sort both of them, we will get this. So S equal to sorted ST equal to T. Sorted ST is nothing but AA, CC, E and RR. Now let's jump into coding. Very fairly simple and easy problem. We just have to compare two strings after sorting them. If the both of them has the same length and same characters, then they both are anagram. For this we just have to return sorted S equal to sorted T. Now let's run this problem. All the test cases have been passed and we have successfully completed the problem. Thank you.